A quick one. What crosses your mind when someone mentions Muranga County? Is it because of the majani chai? Is it because of the Greenland? Is it because of the waterfall or people living within Muranga County? What's up, everybody? It's your lovely girl Winnie, and today we are exploring Muranga County, to be specific, Gitaru. Let me show you the hidden gem in this village.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Gitaru village is located in Muranga County. One can either drive, take an Uber, or we team hustlers come Sisi. We used public transport, which costed us 400 shillings round trip. In case you're wondering how I got to know this place, my friend, don't worry. I know people who know people. Can you be my people? Does it make sense? Anyway, back to business. Our meeting time was at 7:30 a.m. and we boarded Super Metro to Thika Town. Then from Thika Town, we boarded GMT, which took us to Kanunga Shopping Center, where our local guide was waiting for us. Relax, don't panic. I know you want to ask me, kindly share the guide's number. It's okay, I will leave the guide's number on the description box. So the guide gives you two options. It's either you hike with a motorbike, like kwakak or motorbike, you go to those places, or hike, that is useful to Mitsubishi. So for us, we opted to trek because that is what we love. What are the activities one can participate when trying this type of excursion? Number one, hiking. So there are two trails. One is 30 kilometers and another one is 15 km. So for us, we opted for 15 km because we really wanted to enjoy the nature, to enjoy the waterfall, to enjoy everything about this place. Number two is chasing waterfall. We at least visited 5 waterfalls. Number 3, tea farm visit. Number 4, tea plucking. And then after doing all those shenanigans, you have to rest, and we visited Ndakaini Dam / Ndakaini picnic area. So guys, let's chase the first waterfall. It is known as Kanunga Waterfall. Kanunga Waterfall is roughly 800 meters from the main road. The terrain is so smooth. It is beginner friendly. It is baby friendly. So guys, you don't have an excuse to visit this place. Or kama wewe ni ule mtu, I can't hike alone, tag me. I'm your favorite event organizer. Come with your squad. Ama if you're a solo hiker, I can organize everything for you. Our business number is 0795 601 403, or follow our Insta page, that is jamia.adventure. DM me and we will connect. So sawa, I'm not active in Facebook, forgive me, but Instagram Nico247. So back to business. Is there an entrance fee for visiting Kanunga Waterfall? No, it's absolutely free of charge. So guys, going down the waterfall is kind of slippery. Watch out. Atuko kwa haraka. Today we're just falling in love with the nature. Guys, just take a look. Angalia your view. And as usual, the adventurers family Kenya dare us with any adventure. Why not? Let us go down to the waterfall and get a clear view of the Kanunga Waterfall in Muranga County. We were done with Kanunga Waterfall. As usual, I'm your favorite barista. If you're having a bash, please holla at your girl. I'm a jack of all trades. I'm joking. Anyway, we did not spend much of our time down the waterfall simply because I don't know how to swim. If you're a swimming instructor, please holla at your girl. I'm suffering. I can't be visiting such cute places and I cannot swim. Kama tabia za Waluya, tea break lazima, we eat to live or we live to eat, wherever we move regardless. So we need to energize ourselves. So we are enjoying our coffee while watching that beautiful waterfall. So these are the things we don't post. See the struggles we go through in order to create such a beautiful content. So we are headed to our second waterfall, which is the Twin Waterfall. So guys, let's do this. So let's talk about the Twin Waterfall. The Twin Waterfall is roughly 200 meters from the main road. So far we've covered 4 kilometers since we started hiking. So the reason why it's called Twin Waterfall, it's because it has 2 waterfall. Is there an entrance fee? Yes, there's an entrance fee. So this is the story behind this place. So there used to be a daraja, a bridge, yes, a bridge someone could cross over. But Sasa, the owner of this Twin Waterfall, decided to remove it simply because guys are getting to the waterfall without paying. So is there an entrance fee? Yes, there's an entrance fee of 250 per head. So walikuwa natuambia 300 but we bargained, it was 250 per head. So guys, let's go down the waterfall. As you can see, ilibidi tutoe viatu because there's no need of us putting on shoes again, and we are going back to that river to cross over and chase another waterfall. So going down the waterfall is kind of slippery, kuna mteremko, so watch out, but you can have a grip kwa those trees while going down the waterfall. So guys, let's enjoy the Twin Waterfall. hope you're all enjoying the views of this beautiful waterfall. If yes, please leave a like. Don't be mean, please leave a like. Sawa, if it is the first time viewing our vlog, that is a new viewer, karibu sana to the Adventurers Family Kenya, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. To our returning viewers, may I usually say, kama si nyinyi, I couldn't be doing such vlogs. So thank you so much for the love and for the support. So we are done with Twins Waterfall. We are going to chase Manyala Waterfall. So can I say again, let's do this, or walk with me? So far we've covered, I think it was 6 kilometers. I lost track because we were like, cancel that thing and let's just enjoy the nature. Ebu ona nini? Ebu ona. Guys, this is therapeutic. Wachana kuenda kwa those psychiatrists. Sorry. Najua nawarudia kazi. But guys, it's expensive. Just come and sit here and enjoy your picnic while watching this plantation. So sisi hao, we are fully psyched up. So our guide was like, let me show you another joint before going to Manyala. It's a Kamini waterfall. So I was like, why not? Let's do this.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
You all remember I told you when visiting this place we have different activities, and I mentioned tea farm visit, ndo hiyo sasa. So we managed to go through the tea plantation and also pluck some teas. So guys, when visiting this place, just talk to them. They will give you, by the way, these tea pluckers, they're very friendly. But remember to give them something. Waachia ya macho. It doesn't harm. Sawa. So we are done with 3 waterfalls. So we are going to the 4th waterfall, the Manyala waterfall. So kama kawaida, let's walk together and go to Manyala waterfall. we've come to the end of today's excursion. Sorry guys, I did not manage to capture waterfall number 4 and 5 simply because my phone went off and also my power bank had issues. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. In search of 5 waterfalls, we made it. Kilometers, there are not 10. 15 km. The last waterfall was scary. It's known as Manyala. Yeah, but I'm glad I made it. So we are headed to Ndakaini hotel or restaurant, wherever. Your girl is hungry. But so far, so good. My hiking buddies. So if you'd like to have such an excursion, please reach out to me. I will leave our local guide's number. Yeah, tupatane YouTube.